Namaskar. I am Surendra Pratap Singh from India Meteorological Department. Welcome all of you to our daily weather briefing program as of 11 December 2021. Let's go to the presentation. In the slide, we see the observed rainfall during past 24 hours. It occurred at most of the places over Lakshadweep and many places over Arunachal Pradesh and at isolated places over Assam, Meghalaya, Andaman Nicobar Island, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, Jharkhand, Coastal Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Rayalaseema, South Interior Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Karaikal and Kerala and Mahe. In this slide, we observed chief amount of rainfall as well. Here we see Assam and Meghalaya has received maximum rainfall of 5 cm, where Lakshadweep received rainfall of 3 cm, Tamil Nadu 2 cm and Arunachal Pradesh, Coastal Andhra Pradesh, Rayalaseema received 1 cm only. Let's discuss about the synoptic system and the weather warning and forecast. A fresh western disturbance likely to affect western Himalayan region from night of 13 December. It is very likely to cause light isolated to scattered rainfall oblique snowfall over Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit, Balochistan, Muzaffarabad during 13 to 15 December and over Himachal Pradesh on 14 December. Dry weather very likely to over most parts of northwest and central India during next 5 days. No significant change in minimum temperature, hence no cold wave condition over most parts of northwest and central India during next 5 days. Solid, shallow to moderate fog very likely in isolated pockets over most parts of northwest India and Odisha during next 2-3 days in the morning hours. And under the influence of northeasterly winds from Bay of Bengal prevailing along and off Tamil Nadu, South Andhra Pradesh coast at lower level causes isolated to scatter light to moderate rainfall activity very likely over southern peninsular India during next 4-5 days. We see here weather warning in graphical view. On day 1, there will be thunderstorm likely at isolated places over Lakshadweep. On day 2, thunderstorm will be at isolated places over Lakshadweep, Tamil Nadu and Coastal Andhra Pradesh, including the dense fog will take place at isolated pockets over Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura. Comes to day 3, thunderstorm will be at isolated pockets over Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Coastal Andhra Pradesh and including dense fog again at isolated pockets over Assam and Nagaland, Mizoram, Manipur and Tripura. Let's go day 4, thunderstorm at isolated places will be over Tamil Nadu, Kerala and over Jammu Kashmir. And on day 5, there will be no weather warning. For latest update, you can follow us to our website mausam.imd.gov.in and on social media platform like Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and YouTube. And you can find us on mobile app as Mausam, Damini and Meghdoot. Thanks to all of you.